How to pay bills online with Bank of America Bill Pay. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow for that. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. Go to Bank of America website for that, and if you're not logged in, you can go ahead and log in into your account first. Now once you're signed in, what you can do is from the accounts overview page, you can click on the option Go Pay and Transfer, this one right here. Once you've done that, you can select the option of pay bills from another screen. Click on this option, usually from this menu right here. After that, we have this option right here. So we can click on Add Pay for the first time only, and you can search for your biller. You can look out for it. It will show you all the pays that you have previously set up, and select the pay that you wish to pay, and select the Pay from Account option here. You can select your biller from here and enter details manually as well. You can do anything. After that, once added, you can enter the payment amount and the payment date. And once you've done that, you can choose up the account that you're trying to pay from. You can select AutoPay to set up a recurring payment for the same amount on schedule that you choose. And once you've done that, once you submit the payment, you will be seeing a confirmation that your payment was successfully scheduled. You can print a copy of the payment information before you log out, and you can click Return to Payment Center to view, edit, or cancel your payment. After that, your bill will be scheduled or paid. You can also follow the same process on your mobile application and add or select the pay and the amount and date and tap on Send or Pay. And that way you should be able to do it. For electronic pays, it is usually done on the same day or next business days. To check payments, it may take a few days. And that's it everybody. You may follow this method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.